The smartphone landscape is about to experience a tectonic shift, and it all centers around a highly anticipated arrival of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple is preparing to break its own rules, moving far beyond incremental updates to deliver a device that completely redefines what a premium smartphone can do. If you think you have seen the peak of mobile technology, what Apple has engineered behind closed doors for this flagship will make everything before it feel like a prototype. The whispers from the supply chain are no longer just rumors. They're a blueprint for a device that focuses heavily on futuristic materials, unprecedented computing power, and a revolutionary approach to mobile artificial intelligence. Industry insiders are pointing to a design language that sheds the weight of previous generations while introducing structural durability never before seen in consumer electronics. The screen technology alone is set to introduce variable refresh rates and brightness levels that challenge the limits of modern engineering, ensuring that whether you are under direct sunlight or in a darkroom, the visual fidelity remains flawless. Under the hood, the architectural leap in the main processor is built on a microscopic scale that seemed impossible just a couple of years ago, promising efficiency that completely eliminates thermal throttling while setting new benchmarks for battery longevity. This isn't just an upgrade. It is the blueprint for the next decade of mobile computing. The aesthetic profile of the iPhone 18 Pro Max represents a massive departure from the boxy aesthetics that defined the last few iterations. Apple is shifting toward an ultra-refined chassis that fuses next-generation titanium alloys with specialized ceramic composites, creating a frame that is both lighter in the hand and significantly more resilient to everyday impacts. The edges feature a subtle, ergonomic curvature that allows the massive display to feel incredibly natural to hold, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. The camera module on the rear has been completely re-engineered, blending seamlessly into the glass back rather than protruding as a harsh, separate block. This seamless integration gives the device a monolithic, sculpted appearance that looks like a single piece of polished art. The glass itself uses an advanced chemical tempering process that resists micro-scratches entirely, ensuring the phone retains its showroom finish even without a protective case. Color options are shifting toward understated, deep metallic tones that react uniquely to ambient light, shifting hues slightly depending on the angle of view. Every button tactile response has been calibrated down to the micrometer, offering a crisp, satisfying feedback that feels mechanical yet perfectly integrated into the solid-state design framework. Turning our attention to the display, Apple is introducing a panel that completely eliminates the bezels, pushing the boundaries of edge-to-edge viewing to its absolute limit. The underlying technology utilizes a refined substrate that allows for individual pixel illumination with zero light bleed, resulting in infinite contrast ratios where black levels are truly absolute. A massive leap in peak brightness means HDR content will pop with unparalleled realism, rendering highlights so vivid they mimic real-world lighting conditions. The dynamic refresh rate now scales fluidly down to a fraction of a hertz to preserve power when displaying static content. Shifting instantly to ultra-high response speeds the moment your finger touches the glass or a high frame-worth video begins to play. The interaction space has evolved beyond the traditional cutout, utilizing sub-display sensor placement that renders front-facing components invisible when not actively in use, leaving you with nothing but pure, uninterrupted content. Color accuracy is calibrated at a factory level across multiple color spectrums, making this device a legitimate pocket-sized reference monitor for professional videographers and colorists who require absolute precision on the go. At the core of this monstrous device lies the next-generation silicon, a processing marvel built on a pioneering fabrication process that crams billions of additional transistors into a footprint smaller than a fingernail. This chip architecture splits tasks across high-performance cores designed for heavy computational workloads and high-efficiency cores that handle Basel I/E operations with barely a sip of power. The graphical processing unit features a completely redesigned architecture that supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing at frame rates that rival dedicated gaming consoles, making mobile gaming look indistinguishable from high-end desktop setups. Thermal management has been completely overhauled, utilizing an internal vapor chamber system that dissipates heat evenly across the body of the phone, ensuring that peak performance can be sustained indefinitely without the device ever feeling uncomfortably warm. Memory bandwidth has doubled, allowing massive files, complex AI models, and multiple intensive applications to remain resident in the background without a single instance of reloading or stuttering. Artificial intelligence is no longer a secondary feature on the iPhone 18 Pro Max. It is the foundational layer of the entire user experience. A highly advanced neural processing unit works silently in the background, anticipating user actions, optimizing power allocation, and processing complex voice and contextual queries entirely on-device for total privacy. The operating system adapts dynamically to your daily routines, preloading essential data and automating complex workflows without requiring manual configuration. Language translation happens instantaneously in real time during live calls, even without an active internet connection, breaking down communication barriers seamlessly. The system also introduces context-aware environmental analysis, meaning the device understands your physical surroundings through its array of sensors to adjust audio profiles, notification urgency, and display characteristics to match your exact scenario. This creates a deeply personalized ecosystem that feels less like an operating system and more like an intuitive digital assistant that grows smarter with every single interaction. The photographic and videographic capabilities of this flagship are where Apple truly stretches its lead over the competition. The primary sensor boasts a physical size that approaches professional mirrorless standards, allowing it to capture an unprecedented amount of light even in near-total darkness. Combined with a variable aperture mechanism that physically adjusts to control depth of field and light intake, users can capture stunning portraits with natural, organic background blur without relying on software emulation. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses have received matching sensor upgrades, eliminating the drop in quality when switching between different focal lengths. The zoom mechanism utilizes a revolutionary folded glass system that provides pristine optical magnification without adding thickness to the phone chassis. For filmmakers, the device supports uncompressed video recording formats directly to external storage, paired with an advanced stabilization system that uses sensor shift technology operating on multiple axes simultaneously to mimic the smoothness of a professional camera gimbal. Audio and connectivity have not been overlooked in this massive technological leap. The internal speaker array features redesigned acoustic chambers that project a wider, more immersive spatial audio soundstage, delivering deep bass and crystal-clear highs that can easily fill a room. Microphone technology utilizes studio-grade directional arrays that isolate the speaker voice while actively phase-canceling ambient noise, ensuring pristine audio quality for calls, voice notes, and spontaneous video recordings. Connectivity enters a new era with full integration of next-generation wireless protocols, offering blazing fast download and upload speeds with incredibly low latency, even in crowded cellular environments. Satellite communication has expanded significantly, moving beyond emergency messaging to allow low-bandwidth data transfers and location sharing from anywhere on the planet, completely independent of traditional cell towers. The physical connection interface supports massive data transfer speeds, allowing the phone to be connected to external displays and peripherals to function as a fully realized desktop workstation. Battery life on the iPhone 18 Pro Max breaks all previous records, thanks to a fundamental shift in battery chemistry that utilizes high-density materials to pack more energy into a smaller physical volume. This new cell configuration is highly resistant to degradation, ensuring the device maintains its maximum capacity over hours of intense daily cycling. Charging speeds have been significantly upgraded, utilizing an intelligent power delivery system that rapidly fills the battery to operational levels within minutes while regulating voltage to prevent heat generation. Wireless charging systems have been enhanced with stronger magnetic arrays and higher power transfer efficiency, making cable-free charging faster and more reliable than ever. The software works in perfect tandem with the hardware, using predictive algorithms to learn your sleep and work schedules, ensuring the battery charges at the optimal rate to preserve long-term health, while guaranteeing you always unplug with a full charge. Security and privacy remain the absolute cornerstone of the Apple philosophy, and this device elevates protection to an industrial grade. Secure enclave processors isolate sensitive cryptographic keys and biometric data from the rest of the operating system, making unauthorized access virtually impossible. The biometric scanning array operates with enhanced depth perception, identifying subtle facial structures instantly even in low light or when wearing accessories. A hardware-level privacy indicator gives users absolute certainty over when the cameras or microphones are active, preventing any background exploitation. The device introduces a secure, localized backup protocol that allows users to encrypt and mirror their entire digital life directly to personal storage solutions without relying on third-party cloud servers. Every layer of data, from your health metrics to your financial transactions, is shielded by encryption standards that are prepared to withstand the computational threats of the foreseeable future. Looking at the broader impact, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just a consumer gadget. It is a disruptive force that dictates the direction of the entire technology sector. By pushing the limits of display technology, processing power, and camera optics to these extreme lengths, Apple forces the entire industry to elevate its standards. This device sets the benchmark for what professional creators, business executives, and power users expect from mobile technology. It blurs the line between mobile devices and traditional computers, proving that the future of productivity belongs to devices that can fit comfortably in a pocket while delivering performance that rivals traditional desktop towers. As production scales up and these innovations begin to filter down through the rest of the ecosystem, the breakthroughs pioneered in this flagship will shape our digital interactions for years to come. The era of compromise is officially over, and the future of mobile innovation has arrived in its most refined, powerful, and uncompromising form yet.